Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this warm fire eye look. And to start off, I'm going to be taking my Morphe 352 palette, and the first color that I'm using is the color Fire. And I'm going to be taking this color and placing it on my outer crease. And I'm going to be packing this color on because I really want this color to be really pigmented and really pop. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of blending upwards towards my brow bone. And once again, I'm adding another layer of fire. And now I'm just doing the same exact thing to the other eye. And y'all, excuse my dirty nose ring. That is just foundation. It's like every video I got something wrong with it. But anyways, yeah, I'm just blending in that eyeshadow fire right there. And I'm also going to be adding more to just make it more pigmented. There is something on my eye. Okay, and now I'm taking the color Chestnut, and I'm going to be taking this color in my inner crease, and I'm going to be blending in that with fire. And this color is more of like a brick red, obviously darker than fire, but that was just the look I was going for. I kind of wanted the back of my, not the back of my eye, but the outer eye to be a little bit more lighter than the inner eye, but you guys can kind of just see what I'm doing here. And now I'm just doing the same exact thing to the other eye, making sure I blend those two colors together. Okay, and now I'm taking the color Spice. This is like a shimmery copper color. And now I'm just placing that in the middle of Fire and Chestnut. And I'm just going to blend that in. Once again, to the other eye, I'm doing the same exact thing. Making sure I blend all those colors together. And now I am taking the color Ruby, and this is just a glittery red. I'm just going to place that on top of Fire just to make it pop a little bit more. And I'm going to be blending that in with Spice. Okay guys, so I went and added some concealer in the middle of my eyes. I just kind of made a circle shape, and now I'm just taking that brush and just carving out the shape that I want. And I'm doing this because the color that I'm about to do next, I really want it to pop in the center of my eye. And don't worry about those lines above the circle. I'm going to fix that later on. Okay, now I'm taking the color Sauce. This is like my favorite color in this whole entire palette, but now I'm just placing on top of that circle. And I'm just packing it on there because I really want like the middle of my eye to stand out. And also I'm kind of taking it out of the circle too, just to blend it out a little bit more. And I'm doing the same exact thing to the other eye. Once again, I'm just blending that out. Okay, so now I'm taking the color Pure. And I'm going to be placing that over Sauce just to make it pop a little bit more, and also just blend it out towards the corners. Okay, now I'm taking my It's My Ray Ray palette in the highlighter Moonlight, and I'm going to be highlighting my tear ducts and my brow bone. Y'all, I'm telling you, she has the best highlighter ever. And also, I like the shadows in her palette too, which I'm going to do a video on that as well. And now I'm moving on to wing eyeliner. And y'all, don't come for me about this eyeliner. I am freehanding this today. Usually I'll take some tape, but I ran out of tape. So yes, they look different, completely different, but don't be looking at that too hard. But here I am just freehanding, which I don't think I did too bad. Okay, maybe I did. Okay, but yeah, I'm just adding a little bit more, trying to make it look like the other one, making it a little bit more thicker. Okay, moving on to false lashes. This is the Paris Hilton lashes. These are my current favorites right now. And plus they were really, really cheap. I think I got like an 8-pack for like $2.99. But the quality is bomb. Okay, guys, and this is the finished eye look. I'm going to go do the rest of my face and come back and show you guys. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. I added some freckles, some purple lipstick to tie the whole look together. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!